When I started, I would rate at 3, 4 when I
Hmm.
started, but now I would rate myself at 7 or 8. This course provided me the confidence to boost my skill as well so that I can live up to the world and live the
Okay.
complete freedom life and travel the whole world. It's not about the degree. I think this is the future of the education or the knowledge which you are giving in this course.
Hi everyone, meet Mamik. He's from Delhi. He's a digital nomad. He got his first client in just 20 days, starting the digital nomad movement. Mamik, is that true?
Yes, it's absolutely true, and even I couldn't believe this. I just started my business within 20 days, and I got my first client for Facebook ads and website development within 20 days.
Wow. Okay. Wow. Nice. Congratulations. Great job on that.
Thank you so much, Vipin. All thanks to you as well for opening my eye and mind as well.
Oh, nice. So now, which was that first client that you got? Tell me more on how did you find them?
Actually, I started visiting the local business owners around my home, and I found a makeup studio nearby my home, and I visited her. After having a chat on WhatsApp, she told me to visit at her studio, and I went there and I asked the right questions and at the right time, and she got agreed for it. And I am offering a free trial so that I can increase my value after delivering the proper results to them.
Nice. Great. So you said you asked the right questions and right time. How, where did you learn all this?
All thanks to you, Bipin.
Okay.
This program really helps me for yes, changing my subconscious mind and reprogramming it.
Wow. Hmm.
Yeah.
So you see now, you got a client. Now you said how many clients you have now, like in
Uh,
pipeline? Yeah, in total
Currently, two.
two.
Yeah,
Okay,
both are into makeup artists
nice. And then
studio.
you have any coming up leads or any upcoming meetings? Anything?
Yes, tomorrow I am having a meeting with a client. He's into real estate, and
Hmm.
yeah, he's even not having any website and nothing, and he's completely old school, but he's interested to get
Nice.
evolved.
Got it.
Yeah.
So now you did all of this in just 30 days. That means you have just changed, you have transformed, you started your business in 30 days. How do you feel?
Yes. I feel really excited right now,
Hmm.
and I there are no words for this feeling because yeah, there is no boss and who I have to answer, and
Huh.
I'm doing for myself only. Yeah.
Correct. Correct. So, um, yeah, can you believe that you became an entrepreneur in 30 days? Can you really believe? Oh, yeah.
No. Yeah, it's really hard to believe, and it's feels like I'm in a dreaming state, but no, yeah, I've
Nice.
done
So,
it.
so you got into this program that you wanted to be an owner, you wanted to be your own boss, correct? That's the reason you
Yes,
got into this program.
yes. Actually, I felt a connection, and I was really messed up with my job. It's not about I need to wake up at 7 a.m. and I need to travel to Gurgaon, and it take almost 2 hours from
Hmm.
metro. Then I have to come back, so 4 hours for transportation. Then 8 hours working. So
Hmm.
it was a really stressful. So I was looking for a life changing thing, and suddenly your ad pops up at my Instagram, and I took the decision at that spot.
Nice. So was that the right decision? Was that taking that decision was the right decision for you?
Yes, absolutely right. The best decision I've ever made.
Okay, nice. So tell me, what all skills have you learned in just 30 days?
First of all, the main skill I've developed is to be more disciplined.
Hmm.
Yeah, as you have informed that everyone is available for the motivation, but discipline we have to bring it by our own.
Correct.
So that's the main thing. And yeah, I have not sleeping that much. I am only sleeping 4 hours so that I can do my office and as well as the skills which I'm learning.
Great.
Yeah, so I have also developed my time management skills as well.
Hmm.
And yeah, digital skills are getting improved day by day as I'm grinding with the skills.
Got it. So just 30 days back, what was your confidence level? And now what is your confidence level in digital marketing on a scale of 1 to 10?
When I started, I would rate at 3, 4 when I
Hmm.
started, but now I would rate myself at 7 or 8.
Nice. So are you from a digital marketing background or you're
No,
completely new?
no, I'm yeah, completely new.
Okay. So have you tried any different courses or any programs in the past?
Yes, one or two I've tried, but instead I got scammed there. So
Okay.
yeah,
Okay. Uh, Fine. So you got scammed for a big money or just a small amount?
a small amount, and it was like they were offering a degree course and all these things,
Mm,
and yeah.
got it. Nice. All right. So, overall, how's your experience? What you had to share? Uh, because it's great, in just 20, 30 days, you are an entrepreneur, which is not really possible in this today's world. Because if you want to be an entrepreneur, you need huge capital, team. That's what people say. But without any of those things, like what you have to share if someone want to come and join this program.
Yeah, I would suggest whosoever will see this video or the recording, I would suggest definitely go for this course because it's not about the bookish knowledge or this thing. It is a practical thing which will improve your life overall. Not your just life, your loved one life as well, your parents and everything. You will be more stable and as you've informed, you will get the financial confidence instead of the freedom which you want.
Mhm. Great. So you said, you would also improve the uh, family life, the loved ones. So what difference that this program made in your life?
Yes, this program made me more responsible and yeah, as the time is growing, everything economy is boosting. So this course provided me the confidence to boost my skill as well, so that I can live up to the world and live the
Okay.
complete freedom life and travel the whole world.
Nice. So, I just wanted to ask. So you said this will also help your family life, loved ones. So did you, like do any changes? Like, did you change yourself so that, with your loved ones, with your parents, with your family, like, did anything happen? Any magic happen in your life?
Yeah, magic manifestation is happening, and as I'm thinking towards the right with the right mindset, everything is coming on the right time.
Okay.
And
Okay.
even my parents used to ask what all is going, and I share all the everything, and they are supporting me. So no issue from their side, and they are happy. If they are happy, I'm happy.
Nice. So you were able to connect deeper with your family from this program.
Yes,
Wow. Very powerful, right?
yes, very powerful because it's not about the degree. I think this is the future of the education or the knowledge which you are giving in this course.
Hmm.
Yeah, it's completely out of the box.
Nice. And when compared to degree, how powerful was this? Maybe an MBA degree or a master degree or college degrees. Why is this different? Why you got that result in 20 days?
Because I think it's all related to skills, and if you are having the skills, then no one can stop you. No one will ask for a degree or from where did you completed your education and all. Because if you are deserving, you are get the work. If you are
Yeah.
not deserving, then even the degree won't help.
Got it. Perfect. Uh, nice. So you have done a great job. You've got 2 clients now and one in the pipeline, which you'll be meeting tomorrow. So just close them for big money, at least
Yes, definitely.
20, 30,000 or 35,000. Just close them. Just tell the money in confidence. That's it. Okay. So all the best for that. And
Thank you so much.
congratulations on the graduation. So
Thank you so much.
see you in the weekly calls.
Yes,
Bye.
thank you so much. Thank you so much, Bipin, for your lovely support. And I'm really happy to be a part of this family. And I will be forever be a part of this family. Thank you so much.
Awesome. Amazing. Amazing. More power to you.
Thank you so much.